Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. I am Mohammed Moaz, Hafiz Abdul Mateen. I am studying in last year of Alimiyat at Jamia Islamia Ishaatul Uloom, Akkalkuwa. I am going to talk about a great man today. A man who surpassed everyone in generosity, who surpassed everyone in modesty. He surpassed everyone in salah. He surpassed everyone in qira'atul Quran. He surpassed everyone in everything. That is why Ali Allahu Anhu said about Abu Bakr, if you think about something good, then Abu Bakr would have already done it. He was way ahead of everyone in doing acts of kindness. Ibn al-Qayyim and other Muslim scholars have mentioned that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anh every morning used to go to the outskirts of Medina to attend. One day, Umar radiallahu anh began to wonder, where does Abu Bakr go every morning? So one day, Umar radiallahu anhu followed Abu Bakr and saw Abu Bakr radiallahu anh enter a tent. So Umar radiallahu anhu waited, and after some time, Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu left the tent and that area. So Umar radiallahu anhu entered the same tent that Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu was in. And he saw a woman sitting on the floor. And he asked, "Who are you?" The woman replied, "Son, I am blind, poor, and a destitute woman. My husband died some time ago, and I don't have anyone to help me after Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala." So Hazrat Umar asked, "Who is that man who was in the tent? Do you know him? What does he do?" The woman replied, "I don't know who he is. All I know is that he comes every morning, he sweeps my floor, cooks my food, milks my cattle, and leaves." So Umar radiallahu anhu sat down and cried. My brothers and sisters, this amazing man, Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, used to do this act of kindness when he was the Khalifa, when he was the leader of the time, when people would have given him everything, but he said, "I want to please Allah." One day, the Holy Prophet said to his companions, "The rich among you should give in the way of God." On hearing that command, Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu stood up and said, "Today, for sure my horse will take the lead from Abu Bakr. He always beats me when it comes to donating in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whenever it comes to doing good deeds, he always takes the first place. Today, I am in possession of wealth. I will take the first place in the presence of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam." So he brought with his wealth to the trustworthy Prophet, peace be upon him. Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "A Muslim must honor the duty he bears to his relation." And he asked, "Oh Umar, did you keep anything back for your family?" Hazrat Umar replies, "Ya Rasulullah, half of my wealth belongs to my wife and children, and the rest I offer to the community of light." In the meantime, Hazrat Abu Bakr arrived, and he brought with him everything with value in the eyes of the world: slave, money, goods, chattel, his horses, in his camels. So the Prophet asked, "Oh Abu Bakr, what have you left for your family?" Hazrat Abu Bakr replies in this way, "Eh tusse didae maho anjum farogh gir, eh tusse didae maho anjum farogh gir, eh teri zaat baise taqween rozgar, परवाने को चराग है बुलबुल को फूल बस, परवाने को चराग है बुलबुल को फूल बस, सिद्दीक के लिए है खुदा का रसूल बस." He said, "You are the one from whom the moon and stars receive their brightness. You are the one for whose sake the universe was brought into being. The lamp is enough for the moth, and the flower is enough for the nightingale. And for Abu Bakr, the Prophet of God is enough." Hazrat Umar finally acknowledged that he will never ever be able to beat Abu Bakr in terms of doing good deeds. Few moments later, Hazrat Jibreel came down. Ya Rasulullah, Allah has sent salam for Abu Bakr. And Allah is asking you to ask Abu Bakr, is he still happy with me? He does not have anything. There is nothing for his wife. There is nothing for his children. There is nothing for himself. Is he still happy with me? Tears rolled down Abu Bakr's cheeks and said, why should I not be happy with Allah? It's my honor that Allah accepted my wealth. My brothers and sisters, his kindness, his generosity, his modesty, and his unshaken belief in Allah made him one of the 10 people who were guaranteed Jannah in this world. Inspired by Hazrat Abu Bakr, Allama Iqbal wrote, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. Thank you very much indeed for your cooperation and have a wonderful day.